Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great Labor Day, folks, and a safe one. Take action on your ideas. Always do your best. Doing your best means to take action on your ideas. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 58, NASDAQ up 17, S&P's up 9.5, gold contract up $11.10, traded at $1,328 an ounce. Silver up 51 cents at $19.45 an ounce. Platinum up 13 bucks, $1,063 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.07 a pound. Light sweet crude up a buck at $44.25 a barrel. Bonds, you have the 10-year note down 6 ticks, 130.24. 30-year bond off a full point, 3 ticks, 169.12. King dollar up 160 ticks, trading at 95.82. The euro is at 111, and the yen is trading at 103.92. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We have a light jobs number. You got 151,000 jobs out there. Market was looking for 180,000 jobs. You get a pop in the market, but guess what, folks? Can't handle it. Can't handle price. You have the SPY up 85 cents. We've hit a high out here today of $218.87. What is testing out here, or trying to test, is the high that was generated on the 26th of August. 26th of August, you had a high of $219.12. We had done 122 million shares there, and we're at 58 million. Bottom line, can't break topside. You still have some volume as we had gone lower. We're still in the same range we've been in since July 14th. NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX 100? The 3 Qs. 3 Qs out here today. We hit a price point of $117.56. It was doing the test of also the 26th, and the Qs have been giving us some of the most consistent information out here, and it looks like they will do that again today, and this is what it is. So we got over the high of the 26th, which is $117.34. We're at $117 right now. We're at 14 million shares, so that'll shake in maybe about 16, 17 million. If we close underneath this $117.34, you get a failure on price and on volume. And what that will do, that'll set up lower prices coming into next week. This is also the last day of window dressing. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract out here today reached a high of 1334. You're at 1328 right now. You've done 219,000 contracts, and now that's good contracts and that's good price spread. The problem is that you're going into 300,000 contracts, and that's where the gold market gave it up on the 26th also. So the 26th is going to be one of our benchmarks out here. You know, we'll see where this gold shakes out. It very well on Tuesday morning. It could test that spike high again from this morning, but I don't see it getting into higher price. Why? Because if we go over to the bond market, this is what you have happening, folks. Bonds out here today, the 10-year bond, the 10-year note rather, when the jobs number come out, it spiked up to the price point of 131.02, then just gave it up in spades. And so what does that mean? Well, you got lower. We're at 130.23. You broke the consolidation, and that's the second time that we've broken the consolidation. The last time we broke it was on August 26th also. That's saying that the 10-year bond is making its way down to the 130 mark, and we're at 130.23 right now. That would be saying that the 10-year yield is going to be going up. Right now it's at 1.6. We take a look at the 30-year bond, same type of setup inside the 30-year, and it looks like the market is going to raise the short-term rates versus the Fed at this particular point, because it looks like that we're going to have an ABC structure on the way down in notes and bonds, and that's going to be the first ABC structure down in quite some time. The 30-year bond out here today is down 277,000 contracts. We're at 169.13, and it's 168.26. That is that B point. And I expect we're going to be going after that B point on Tuesday morning. The volume is a monster as you're pushing into the lower part of this consolidation that we've been in. King Dollar. What is King Dollar saying? King Dollar saying the exact same thing. King Dollar went downtown out here today when the jobs number come out. We got to a price point of 95.17. It rejected that low. It rejected that price. It goes topside, and right now we're trading at 95.82. So what you have is that you went into the day of strength, also from the 26th, and that's when Yellen was talking on the 26th. That's where all these benchmarks are. We've done 34,000 contracts today, which is bigger volume, but same as is applicable in the bonds and the gold and the bond. We go back to the dollar index. The dollar index had done 41,000 contracts. You're doing 34,000 contracts. That is saying that the dollar wants to go up to its swing point that was generated out here on the 25th of July, which is 97.62. And that's saying that the market itself, dollar wants higher price, bonds want lower price. We go back to the S&P. We'll go to the small caps, actually. We take a look at the small caps. The IWM out here today. Now, there's going to be a big one in the IWM, and this is why. The IWM is right at its highs. 124.41 is the number. That is also the 26th. We had done a volume out here of 26 million. You're at 16 million. Now, the small caps have a shot to close over that. With 20 cents underneath it, 21 cents underneath it right now, it does have a shot to close over it. We'll see where that shakes out. You close underneath it, that would give you all the indices, tested highs, couldn't handle higher price, have lighter volume. And if we go back to the Dow Industrials and we look at the Dow, what you're setting up here is a small ABC structure down inside the Dow Industrials. The Dow Industrials today got to a price point of 18,544. So we're up 60 bucks now. We were up over 100 earlier. You're coming into the 26, and the Dow couldn't even get to the high of the 26, which is pretty intense. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now are up 61. Nasdaq's up 18. S&Ps are up 10. Gold contract up $11.20. We're going to be right back, folks.